JL here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a SoFi bank account. So to do this is pretty simple. So just head on to SoFi.com and then open an account. So here you can open an account and then this will redirect you to a new page where they need to confirm you're human. So first, you'll create your login, fill out your application, and then you just have your new account. It's just that simple. So here, you will have your first name. So we'll just place lol and here. So you have to select the state that you live in. So of course, this is gonna be in your America only. So let's just go Indiana. Let's do a random email and then your password of choice, of course. So let's just go something random right here. And there you go. So by checking this, you'll have to agree, and that's red that understood that you have agreed to consent of the SoFi Act right here. So next, let's just wait for it. There you go. You will have to open your so there's already a random email, so from there it will actually redirect you to a new page, which will mean that you will have to just verify your email and many much more, and then you will have your new bank account. It's just that simple. Further verification will come from the next steps of your SoFi bank account. So basically this is how you make it. So if this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.